And the best fantasy movie is... The Twilight Saga.
Accepting for Twilight Saga Eclipse, Jackson Rathbone, Nikki Reed, and Kristen Stewart.
Jackson will have a few things to say.
You take the stage.
Oh, all right, here we go. Well, hey, everybody, thank y'all so much for coming out and screaming and looking all freaky. I love it. We just got to thank all the fans, all the amazing people who've supported us over the years and really made this thing happen, because it's all about, it's all about y'all. It's all about the people who come out to support the films, support cinema. Without y'all buying tickets, without y'all coming out and hooting and hollering and having a good old time, we couldn't do this. So thank you to Summit, Stephanie Meyer, Melissa Rosenberg, our director, David Slade, our wonderful cast and crew. Thank everybody, and especially y'all, the fans. Thank you.